Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the technical analysis of 9th of November 2020. So guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it. And also if you have not joined the WhatsApp group till now, then please find the link of the WhatsApp group in the description of this video below. I give some type of free signals in my WhatsApp group. Also, I keep you updated with the customer feedbacks who are using my signals and who have taken the coaching from me. They share their feedbacks in the WhatsApp group, so I post them mostly on a daily basis in my WhatsApp group. So do not forget to join that WhatsApp group as well. So starting the day today with the Euro JPY. So overall, it was Monday. I was expecting a slow day, but overall, you know that we had US elections before, and I was expecting that today might be the market can create some sort of volatility because it was a bit slow on Friday. So today we have seen that the market has shown us a very good volatile condition. So starting with Euro JPY with a bullish expectation from 123.248 and 123.903 was the target price. And if you look at the Euro JPY pattern, then you can completely see the market has gone into the upward direction. So we have taken the best advantage by trading this pair, and I congratulate all my traders. I have shared the screenshots in the WhatsApp group. They have profited from it. So guys, if you want to see their profit screenshots, then please contact on the WhatsApp group as well. So congratulations to all those traders who have taken the positions on this pair. They must have ended the day with a very good profit. At next we have AUD USD. So let me take you towards the AUD USD chart. So here we are. So AUD USD doesn't show us a very good momentum, but however I was slightly bullish from 073135, and guys, you can see that 2 hours the market stays above the entry. Still it's above the entry, but overall we do not seen a very good boost here, and it's just stopped, so we are exit from that trade. Okay, Great Britain Pound JPY is the next one and a massive move is seen today on Great Britain Pound JPY. Very easy signal. I have supplied the bullish trend from 136670 and 137746 was the target price. And guys, if you look at here, then you can see a very strong momentum on Great Britain Pound JPY, and it has went into the upward momentum. So I congratulate my signal subscribers. They must have ended the day with a very good profit. At next we have USD CHF. Let me take you towards the USD CHF signal. So here it is. So USD CHF with a bullish expectation from 090186 and 090967 was the target price. And guys, if you look at the pattern, then you can see USD CHF has straight went up right from our entry. The signal was triggered and the market has went into the upward direction. So if you have traded this one, then you must be in a very good profit. And at last I will go with the AUD JPY. And guys, if you look at the AUD JPY, this is the last signal of my signals report. I have simply given the bullish signal from 75633 and 76207 was the target price. And guys, look at the very sweet and bullish pattern on AUD JPY. You can see it has went into the upward direction with no problem. So congratulations my traders who are subscribed to Signal Service, and they must have taken a very good profit by trading this pair. So overall guys, it was an excellent day with forex trading, and hopefully I will make another video in which I will explain you about the I will make a video from the WhatsApp so that I can show you that how my community is communicating with me, and they are making profits. They are sharing their screenshots with me, and overall you will also come to know about this thing. So you know that I provide the technical analysis of this market, and I provide the forex consultancy. So that's what I am doing from 2015. I'm helping you people to make money from the forex market. So overall guys, moreover about the trading system, you can see if your market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum like it happened today, it was into the lower red boundary, it gaining the momentum today, you can buy the pair. And unless you do not see a bearish pattern from the top red boundary, because this is what happening right now, it is showing you that the market is very volatile at the moment, that it even went beyond the barriers of the red boundary. So it means that you have to wait, and when the market starts to go down, then you can take your sell positions, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, the question arises that how I come to know in the morning that that AUD JPY is going to be bullish and Euro JPY is going to be bullish like this, and this is completely based on a trick, and I teach this trick for 7 days on 3 days on Skype. It will be the 3-day Skype coaching, 30 minutes each, and I'm taking the coaching sessions almost on a weekly basis. So if you want to book your coaching session, if you want to try my signals by subscribing to my signals, and if you want to get the trading system, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com, or you can contact me from the description of this video on my WhatsApp as well, and you can also join the WhatsApp group as well. And hopefully today I'm planning to make a complete video about the detailed analysis that about the feedbacks of the customers that they have given on for WhatsApp, so that you must come to know that everything is legitimate, nothing is scam here. So you will come to know about each and everything into the next video. Thank you very much. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this technical analysis with everyone. Thank you.